this is your so here this is the fixed cost. Fixed cost. First we have decided the fixed cost for capital A. So what is the fixed cost? So this fixed cost is equal to tooling cost. Tooling cost plus setting of labor cost. Labor cost plus setting of overhead. Overheads. What is actually overheads? Means other than the work that actually requires while machining this component, it is not part of the production. Overhead is not part of the production, but it is supported to the production. Means the release of the bill of the materials, schedule, bill card, processing, administration, supervision. This will come under the overhead. So here's setting of overhead. How to calculate setting of overhead? Here machine overhead is 300% of the core item is here. Is it correct? So 300 of 4 is given. So first we can get the overhead. Overhead this is equal to 300 percentage of 4. There is a 4. So 300 divided by 100 into 4. This is 5 per hour. So here how much that? 50. So this setup overhead cost we get. Tooling cost we know this. Setup labor cost. So what is the setup labor cost? Rupees. Setup labor cost 20 per hour. This setup labor cost that is 20 per hour, and setting time is actually 1 hour. So here setup cost, setting of cost, setting of labor cost. So what is the setting up labor cost here? 20 rupees. But what is setting up time? 1 hour. So here it is 20. And how much time is required? 1 hour. So here is 1. Okay. Then tooling cost. So what is the tooling cost here? 300. So tooling cost here. So fixed cost, this is equal to tooling cost, setup labor cost, and setting up overhead. So overhead, why? How we have calculated this 300 percentage of item number 4. So you get this setup labor cost. Labor cost is here 20 rupees. Setting time is 1. So setup labor cost 20 is 1. Tooling cost 300. This is 300. So total fixed cost. For this capital machine, tooling cost 300. Setting up the labor cost 20. And setting up the labor, tooling cost, overhead cost 50. So what is the answer here? 300 20 plus 40, 335. So 335. This is the fixed cost. Correct? Up to here it is clear? Hello, clear now? Fixed cost, how to calculate? Tooling cost plus setup labor cost plus setting up overheads. Tooling cost it is given. Setup labor cost 20 rupees per, and the setting time is 1 hour. Then overhead cost, that is 300% of atom number 4, that is 15 rupees. So here 320 plus 15, 335. So this is fixed cost. Now we will go for variable cost. Variable cost. Variable cost means changes with the productions, material cost, then operation overheads and labor cost. Okay. So variable cost, this is equal to material cost. Means production it increase, material cost will also increase. Then second is labor cost. Labor cost, this is depend upon cycle times. Then operation overheads. Operations overheads. Operation overheads. So first we'll consider material cost. Material cost, how much material cost? Material cost per piece 2.5, this is in rupees. Then second, labor cost. How to calculate labor cost? Labor cost. So here material cost, operation, labor cost 5 hours, and cycle times is 5 minutes. Correct. So 5 for 1 hour, 5 for 5 minutes, how much? So this is the labor cost. Labor cost. So 5 hours. So 5 minute cycle times into 5 divided by 60. Because here's operation labors for 1 hour 5 rupees is there. Our cycle times is 5 minutes. Only we require labor for 5 minutes. So what is the labor cost for 5 minutes? You can calculate like this way. Now third, operations overheads. So operation overheads. So already we have calculated operation overhead, but our cycle time is 5 minutes. So here's 15 into 5 divided by 60. Because already we have calculated over 15. Our cycle time is 5 minutes. So 5 divided by 60. Because this overhead cost, it is in hours, because this is in hours. We have to convert into minutes. So if we add here, so 2.50 plus labor cost 5 into 5 by 16 plus operation overheads 15 into 5 divided by 60. So this answers, that is the rupees 4.16. 4.16. Okay. Now total cost, that is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. This is for capstone lathe. Okay. So how to calculate the fixed cost for automatic lathe, and second variable cost for automatic lathe. In similar way, you have to calculate automatic machines fixed cost and variable cost. Fixed cost and variable cost. calculate fixed cost for automatic machine? So here first we have to calculate overhead cost. How to calculate overhead cost? 1000 divided by 100, and what is the cost related to these operations overhead. So here's how to calculate this overhead operations overhead. 1000 divided by 100 into 2. So this is the operations labor overhead cost. Then it is given percentage of food. This percentage 1000 divided by 100 into, that is operation overhead. Okay. Then cooling cost here, this is cooling cost 300 plus this is cooling cost. After that, setting up the overhead cost. So setting up the labor cost is 20, and what is the timing cost? Set up 8 hours. So 20 into 8. So like this will be there. So just here I will write fixed cost 300 plus 1500 is 300 plus 1500. So this is the cooling cost. Okay. Setup of labor cost. Setup of the labor cost plus how to calculate setup of the labor cost according to this means here 1000 divided by 100 into 2. Why this 2 is there? Because it is in percentage of 4 seconds. So here is 20. So here setting up the overhead cost, that is the 20. Okay, and what is actually setup of the time? 8 hours. So here 20 into 8 plus setting of setup of the labor cost is setup of the labor hours. This is also 20 into 8. So total answer, how much total answer would be 2120. This is fixed cost related to automatic. Now variable cost related to the automatic. Variable cost, your variable cost, material cost is there related to this. Material cost is 2.5. 2.5 is there. Variable cost. Labor cost for operations. Labor cost for operations. Cycle time is 1 minute. So here it is 2 into 60. 2 into 60. Then the overhead cost related to this 20. 20 divided by 60. So variable cost related to this machine is 2.863. So just like our this previous machine we have calculated. Okay. So this is fixed and variable cost. Now we have to compare these two machines. So while comparing these two machines, so machine capture electric cost plus quantity into variable cost for electricity capture is equal to fixed cost for automatic into quantity into variable cost for automatic. So this value we have to put here. What is the fixed cost for this is the 335 quantity we don't know. Variable cost for the 4.16, 4.16. Fixed for automatic is 200 as 120 plus Q into variable cost 2.863. So from this we have to calculate Q. So this is your break-even amount. So answer is 1373. So this is the calculations regarding the break-even point of two machines. So anybody having any problem? Hello. Hello. Anybody having any problems? So this is the last examples of break-evens, two machine comparisons, and what is the expected break-even point. It is very simple. First we have to calculate fixed cost and variable cost. Fixed cost, how we have to calculate? Tooling cost, setup of the labor cost. Setup of the labor cost, so setup of the labor cost into setting time. Correct? This should be in minutes. Correct? And after this overhead cost, we can calculate 300 percentage of 4, that is in minutes. So here's tooling cost is there, setup cost is there, overhead cost is there. Just we can add this, total 335 it will come. Variable cost, material cost, labor cost. So labor cost, how to calculate? Per hour rate into cycle times divided by 60, because hour has to convert into minutes. Operation overheads, so here 15 overhead is there, cycle times is 5 divided by 60. Like this we can calculate variable cost. So fixed and variable cost for first machine, similarly fixed and variable cost for automatic machine. Just you have to go for comparison and find out the Q. So this is the quantity at the break-even point. Okay. So with this our break-even analysis, this content behind the syllabus, and which is useful to your GATE exam, that I have covered. You can go through this type of numerical problems. It is expected to be asked around 2 marks questions in your GATE exam. Very simple things are there. Fixed variable cost plus profit is equal to sales into quantity. Previously I have given this type of formula. And while calculating, you have to decide which is the fixed cost and which is the variable cost. Compares with other machine fixed and variable cost as per this equation, and you have to find out the quantity. So this is about the break-even points. So anybody having any doubt, you can ask. After this, we will go for inventory controls. Next point related to your exam. having any problems, you can ask. Shall I proceed? Doubt is not there. Shall I proceed? This is the end of your break-even point. Content behind syllabus, not in your regular syllabus, but it is importance from the gate point of view. So, shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So, next point, that is the inventory controls. So again, you will have to study your production and operation management subject. This inventory control, this is the very important part in industry. What is the control? Control means whatever the process is going on, just get the feedback of the same and rectify the process. This is called control. And inventory means the material, meaning raw material, semi-finished product or finished product, that is in stock. Okay, and the cost related to that is what inventory carrying cost. Okay, so in industry, what is the importance of the inventory? So very big thing in inventory. If you make any fluctuation demand in the market, it is very critical to make the inventory. Because if you get the raw material more in stock and demand is not there, so that much amount or that much money you can invest in the purchasing of the raw material. So inventory, that is directly related to the demand, fluctuation in demand, and very important thing is that by keeping the optimum inventory, there should be use of optimum utilization of man, materials and machines. So triple M, optimum utilization of triple M. Man, machine and material, inventory is there. Then demand fluctuation is very inventory. Correct? And any other feature expansion is there in inventory. So inventory control, this is a very important factor in industry. So what is actually inventory? Inventory, it is the stock of the finished, semi-finished or raw material which is in industrial premises. Okay, and that is useful for the fulfill the customer requirement, demand in the market, and continuous production. If the inventory is not up to the optimum level, their production will get stopped, demand will not get fulfilled. So stock must be to that, and that will be the optimum. If you make more inventory, loss of that industry will be there. If you maintain less inventory, production will get stopped more fulfill the demand of the customer. So like this concept is there, maybe related to raw material, finished product, semi-finished product. Before selling whatever material in industrial premises, that is also inventory. Now this inventory main objective to fulfill the customer demand, better utilization of the man, machine and material, and last thing is there to give assurance to the customers about delivery date. If the inventory is there, active and inventory, you can give assurance to the customer about the delivery date. So these three important points you have to remember regarding the inventory. Active utilization of the man, machine and material. Second, to fulfill the fluctuation in the demand. And third is that set up delivery date we have to the customer. Okay. Now in inventory controls, there are two types of cost. Inventory control, there is a two types of cost. One cost that is called inventory cost relation. Inventory cost relations. Inventory cost relations. Inventory cost relation. So this inventory controls actually two types of cost are there. First cost, that is the procurement cost. Procurement cost, or it is also called ordering cost. It is also called ordering cost. Second cost is there, inventory carrying cost. Inventory carrying cost, or this is called holding cost. Procurement cost means we have to purchase. Ordering cost, we have to give the order. Means we have to give the certain purchase order to any your customer for purchasing the raw material or any other assembly part. So we have to process, we have to give the notice, comparative, then purchase order, then we give this order to supplier, arrange the transportation. Means this cost is outside the company's premises. Whatever expenditures will come, it comes under this cost. And once material will come inside the industrial premises, then this cost will be there. Inventory. So this is the inside the company, this is the outside the company. Outside the company, why? Transportation, the processing fee, taxes, insurance, whatever amount we are going to pay in order to purchase the material, it will come under this. Means the notice, comparative, then send that order, make the insurance, arrange the transportation, checking the material, mechanical, physical property. This will come under the ordering. And once this will get okay, and then material comes inside the company's premises, then inventory carrying cost will start. Okay. Now, what is the relationship between this procurement cost and inventory carrying cost? It is a very simple relationship there. So, if you make a graph of cost versus ordering quantity, for example, if you make this one graph, in this graph, this is the cost and this is the order quantity. Order quantity. Okay. So once we start the production, we have to purchase the item. Okay. That is the procurement cost. So initially the procurement cost is very high. Initially, before production, we have to purchase this material. So initially, your cost is more, and once production will start, it will consume like this way. So this is the our procurement cost or ordering cost. So this is the procurement cost or ordering cost. Correct? Ordering cost of procurement. Since initially it is high, order quantity will increase, the procurement cost will decrease. Means at a time you can give the order so that at a time material is not less transportation like. So this cost is like this. Inventory cost. So lot of material will come in industry premises. We need to put in the particular space, and that space is nothing but the inventory carrying cost. We have to suppose we have take from the rental. So 1 month rate is there. Okay. So once the raw material will come industry premises, inventory carrying cost will increase. So increase with the order quantity. So this will be your inventory carrying cost. Inventory carrying cost or holding cost. If we have to hold this material on industry premises. And this point at which this graph and this graph is intersect. So this is called EOK. EOK means economic order quantity. Economic order quantity. Okay. So every time we have to give the orders, we have to purchase the material. It should be the economical. Otherwise, we may in the loss. To avoid this problem, the inventory carrying cost and your ordering cost of procurement must be equal. In our break-even point, we have seen that the point at which sales revenue and your total cost is the same, then it is called break-even point. Here, inventory carrying cost and ordering cost is same and economic order quantity at economic order quantity. So here is the what is the economic order quantity that I will tell you. So here economic order quantity is equal to inventory carrying cost carrying cost is equal to ordering cost or in bracket procurement cost. So point at which both costs are equal, inventory carrying cost and ordering cost, both costs are equal, then we solve economic order cost. Otherwise, if the quantity is not economical, then your production comes under the below the threshold or it is loss. To avoid this problem, we have to concentrate on economic order quantity. Let D, capital D, is the annual demand in annual demand in EV. Then C0 will be ordering cost. Ordering cost. Then CH is the inventory carry cost. Carry cost. So both are related to 4 Cs. So both are related to 4 Cs. Correct. And Q is the order quantity. Q is the order quantity. So here annual order quantity, how to calculate annual order quantity? Annual order quantity is equal to, how to calculate? Demand in market. Demand divided by number of orders into ordering cost. If the demand D, number of orders, ordering cost, number of orders N. So let us consider N be the number of orders. Number of orders N and ordering cost C0. So instead of N, we have taken order quantity. So we need not to take N. Already we have taken 2, so we have taken 2. So this is equation number 1. Okay. Now equation number 2, annual inventory carrying cost. Annual inventory carrying cost is equal to average inventory into inventory carrying cost. Average inventory is 2 by 2 and inventory carrying cost. Yes. This is the equation number 2. Correct. So average inventory is half of the quantity. Inventory carrying cost is 3. So by using 1 and 2, so D by Q into C0 is equal to Q by 2 into CA. Okay. Now here, this 2 will be here and this is the 2D C4 divided by C7. There is the Q square. Correct, we take it. So after this, Q is equal to root of 2D C4 divided by C7. So this is the economic order quantity. Demand into holding cost for ordering cost for divided by holding cost. Root of this is the Q. Q is the quantity at this. Means here this Q will be root of 2 demand into this ordering cost divided by this holding cost related to inventory. This is the inventory carrying cost. This is the ordering cost. This is economic order quantity. So this on this formula we get 2 marks question is there. Only on this formula. They are pre-number. Demand, ordering cost, holding cost or inventory. Only you have to calculate. Up to here it is clear. Tomorrow we solve the question, numerical problem on this. Okay. Hello. Have we got the concept of inventory controls? What is
Yes,
the
sir.
inventory? Okay. So you have to remember only one this formula Q, that is equal to root of 2D CO divided by CH. CO means ordering cost, CH means inventory carrying cost, D is the demand. So only on this economic order quantity it is expected to solve some numerical problems in your GATE exam. So tomorrow we'll solve some numerical problems related to this inventory controls. Okay. So today our this time period is over. So we're going to stop here. Okay. Thank you.